Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded episode without jailbreaking or computers. It is fully working, guys. So, as you can see, I just opened it up right here, the mod, and we have to press on our resources, and that initiates the mod menu with unlimited gems and unlock premium stories, unlock all chapters, no ads. So, I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So, let's go right into the video. It's fully working, guys. Super cool. So, I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. Guys, so as you can see, I'm going to turn on the unlimited gems, press activate, and let's see if they go up. Personally, I'm not 100%, but it might work. It might not. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So what we need to do is go to this website called ZooMods, which has tons of mods. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on this website, guys, just go to the search bar and type in episode. So as you can see, it should come up, and there it is, episode mod. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. If you guys subscribe to the channel, and if you go to the search bar, type in episode, you can see it is super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend money on this game. So let me just type it in right here. So I'm just going to type in episode, and as you can see, guys, it's just wildly expensive. We go to in-app purchases, you can see, nah, bro. See, I'm not paying for this, so if you do want to be rich, guys, be sure to try this out. It is super cool, and it totally works. So as you can see, look how many gems I got. This is super awesome, so be sure to try it out for yourself, just so like more people know about the method, guys, because this is pretty cool, and you can be rich with this method, so be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super awesome. It's like totally working as well, so be sure to get the word out, guys, because